All right, guys, sorry about that. You're going to have to create what we call a frequency distribution or frequency table. And so all I did was make some lines going across and down. I labeled the first one visit, the second one tally, the third one frequency. I took my notes and the numbers in the boxes, the daily visitors to the selected state parks, and I put them in each of my intervals. These are my intervals right here. Okay, so I made intervals of 50. So 100 to 149 is 50, 150 to 199 is 50, and so forth. So then I went through each one and I gave it a tally mark each time it fell within one of these frequencies. So for example, I'll do the first row with you. 108 I put up here. I made a tally mark. 209 would go here. I made a tally mark. 171 would go here. 152 would go here. And 236 would go here. So after you've done the whole table, your frequency table should look like this. Yes, you have to make a frequency table. So you might want to pause the video right now so that you can make sure your frequency table looks the same. All right, so I'm going to erase that because you need the frequency table to make the histogram. Okay, I have my information already written down somewhere else, but you probably don't, so you will need that information. We're going to make basically a bar graph. That's what a histogram is, but it's a little bit different. So I'm going to make an L. Okay, hopefully it looks better than that, but that's what mine is. Okay, and then on the bottom, I'm going to put my number of visitors. Let me move this up a little bit. Okay, so this is going to be number of visitors. Okay, at the bottom. And then along the side is going to be my frequency. Okay, so how often are they coming? Okay, so at the bottom, I'm going to put 100 to 149. I'm going to put my 150 to 199. My 200 to 249. Where am I getting these numbers, guys? I'm getting them from the frequency table we just made. Okay, so I'm putting those numbers that we had on the side over here underneath visits. I'm putting them now at the bottom like this. Okay, it's almost like it's a coordinate plane a little bit. Okay, all right, so let me finish this real quick. I'm going to go 250 to 299. Then I have 300 to 349. And the last one was 350 to 399. Okay. Now along this side, the frequency is going to be how many times did that happen? My tally marks, right? Okay. So I'm going to put, oh, also I forgot to do the frequency part on the tally, but that's okay. Frequency and tally marks are basically the same. So when you look at that, go back to that frequency chart or table, let's say for 100 to 149, you had 2 tally marks. The frequency would be 2. It's the same. So tally and frequency are basically the same. Okay, so I'm going to have this be a 2. Well, I guess I don't really need a line. Let's not put a line there. That's probably not a good idea, Miss Sibley. All right, so 2. Let's count by 2s. 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So 100 to 149, we said there was only 2. So that's going to be like a bar graph, right? That's what a bar graph looks like. 150 to 199, there were 7. So with a histogram, your bars have to touch each other. So this is going to come all the way up to 7, which would be about right there, right? Okay. So see how my bars are touching right here? They have to touch. Okay. Then my next one will be 200 to 249. That was 8. So I'm going to go up to 8. Hopefully yours touch better than mine do, but that's what they're supposed to do. They're supposed to touch. 250 to 299, we said there was 1. I guess all the rest are 1. So they're all going to touch like that. That's what your histogram would look like. This is a histogram. Okay, so now I've shown you how to do it. You're going to do the second piece of information on our notes. It says test scores. You're going to make a frequency table, okay, and you're going to make a histogram. They both go together. You need to have both for the histogram lesson. All right, bye guys.